Easy tips to increase the lifespan of your house. A concrete building can easily survive for about 75 to 100 years, a house for about 40 years, and an apartment for about 60 years. To increase the lifespan of any building, house, or apartment, it's important to pay attention to its maintenance. Maintaining a house is not very difficult. By putting in minimal efforts, you can easily increase the lifespan of your house. Whether you stay in a house or an apartment, it will be undergo a slow degradation that should be checked at regular intervals. Apart from cleanliness and hygiene and other basic maintenance, there are many other factors on which the condition of your house depends. Do not plant trees close to the house. Banyan tree roots are highly invasive, crack cement and penetrate plumbing to the point of growing into toilets. These roots, if not trimmed regularly, might damage the foundation of your house. Also, trees closer to the building add to the risk of their branches growing in your window or balcony. This doesn't mean one should not plant trees at all, but instead plant them smartly so they do not trouble you in the long run. Never ignore leakage or dampness of walls. Keep a regular check for leakage or dampness at plinth levels and walls. Over a period of time, the water seepage makes the wall hollow due to erosion. Ignoring these walls will lead to a big hole in your pocket in the long run. The first thing you have to do when you see a leakage is present, find its source and then hire a contractor and get it repaired at the earliest possible. Run water in unused spaces. Flush toilets and run water at unused spaces. This applies to guest bathrooms or any other sinks water sources you don't use on a regular basis. The idea behind this is to prevent grime or any other kind of build-up. Regularly running a little bit of water through will prevent this. Practice regular maintenance. Your duty doesn't end with building a house using good quality materials. Just like you choose the best for your house during construction, you should do your best to maintain it. It's important to clean your house regularly for maintenance and hygiene purposes. Also, you must get your house painted every 4 to 5 years and check for termites. Moreover, all the wooden items in the house should be polished and painted as and when required. And regular pest controlling should too be done. Special attention should be paid to the flooring of the house too. Vacuuming or sweeping the tiles regularly can keep it free from dust and dirt that can scratch its surface. Broken tiles should be replaced and scratched tiles should be repaired immediately. Keep a check on electrical fittings and cables wiring of the house. It's also crucial to focus on the electrical fittings and cable wiring of a house. Good quality wires and cables should be used for the safety of the house. Skilled professionals should be hired for electric work. And windows. Check for broken glass and damaged or missing screens. Check all window and door hardware for proper function. Lubricate where needed. Also for loose or missing seals for both window and door frames. Don't forget the caulking at doors, windows and all other openings and joints between wood and masonry. By following this simple advice, you can easily increase the lifespan of your home. Maintaining a house is a very important thing because the condition of the house helps in improving the living conditions of the inmates. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, to subscribe to the Engineer Ajay Lord's channel, How to Make Home.